Hello everyone. This video is going to talk about the 4 steps to fix a Seagate Barracuda 7200.11 hard drive by replacing the controller board. The board number is 100496208. Step 1. Find the correct donor board. In order to find the correct donor board, we have to know the board compatibility. Seagate Barracuda 7200.11 hard drive controller board compatibility criteria: 1. Same hard drive model number. 2. Same controller board number. 3. Same controller board firmware, and also called controller board BIOS. This picture shows where to find the hard drive model number. This picture shows where to find the controller board number. Go to www.hdd-parts.com. In the search box, input the board number and the hard drive model number, and then click on search. Now we found the donor board for this model hard drive. Please read the item description and follow the instructions. Step 2. Remove the bedboard. Torx 6 screwdriver is needed to remove the bedboard from the hard drive. The Torx 6 screwdriver can be found in the tool section of the most hardware stores. Step 3. Controller board BIOS transfer, also called as controller board firmware transfer. It means to transfer the controller board firmware or BIOS from the original board to a good donor board. Why do we have to do the controller board BIOS transfer? Because for this model hard drives, one controller board includes 2 parts, hardware and controller board BIOS. The controller board BIOS includes hard drive's unique configuration data. The hard drive needs this unique configuration data to work. So, we have to transfer this unique configuration data from the original board to the donor board. Then the donor board can work on the original hard drive. This picture illustrated how the controller board BIOS transfer works. On the left-hand side is the original bad board. On the right-hand side is the donor good board. The controller board BIOS transfer means to transfer the controller board BIOS from the original bad board to the good donor board. Regarding the hard drive controller board BIOS transfer, we want to point out the following things. 1. We can do the controller board BIOS transfer from the physically damaged controller board, like burned, watered, or other kind of damage. Our controller board BIOS transfer success rate is more than 95%. 2. Controller board BIOS transfer is different from the hard drive firmware upgrade. The controller board BIOS transfer is to transfer the controller board BIOS from one board to another board, so we can make 2 identical controller boards. Hard drive firmware upgrade is to upgrade the hard drive's own firmware. It has nothing to do with another hard drive or another controller board. We cannot make 2 identical controller boards by hard drive firmware upgrading. 3. We do the controller board BIOS transfer for our clients for free.
Step 4. Put the donor board onto the hard drive. Test the hard drive. Put the repaired hard drive back to your computer to test it. If it works, congratulations, you fixed your hard drive. But if it doesn't work, that means the hard drive got the problem beyond the controller board. One hard drive includes 3 parts: controller board, disks, read-write head. One of them got problem, the hard drive will not work properly either.
How to ship the controller board to do the controller board BIOS transfer. This is an option only. You need to fill a controller board BIOS transfer form. You can find the form in the item description. Please print out this form and ship together with the board. This is how the clients ship the controller board to us to do the BIOS transfer. 1. Print out our shipping address on the envelope. 2. Client's mailing address. 3. Print out the form and ship the form together with the board. 4. Customs declaration. Item name: bad hard drive controller board. Item value: $5. How we ship the donor board to our clients. We offer worldwide free shipping. We put the board in a professional box. We use the static bag to protect the board. We carry all the brand name hard drive controller board, from the very old to the latest. If you cannot find the correct donor board for your hard drive, you may take pictures of the hard drive and both sides of the controller board. Email the pictures to us. We will find the correct donor board or the best solution for you. Our email address is hddparts@gmail.com. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.